Boom, what's up? And we're back again, guys. Today we're picking up the, it's a good day, we're gonna pick up the parts car or next project car. So we're gonna have two Supras on the page. One is gonna be built clean, the other one is gonna be, well, I wanna make it into a drift car, but you guys will see why when I show you in a minute. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'm about to go head out and get some stuff and then go meet up with Arvin. Alright guys, we picked up our truck for the day so we can get our rat AutoZone. Oh, you all. I was about to say AutoZone. And we're getting a trailer. There's another Mustang with the Tacoma 220, right? Yeah, 2020 right here. TRD. Wow, V6 guys. I'm here with Paul, the one and only. Let me know what you guys think about this. It's all brand new suspension here, guys.
No, I think it only has about 500 miles on this one.
500 miles. Look at that interior. Let me know what you guys think about the interior in this. They're probably like, what are those guys doing?
Power unit on this.
As a where on the corner?
Yeah.
On the side? Yeah.
Power.
That's a must-have right there. Yeah. That's a must-have. Got a little short bed. Nothing crazy. Have your reverse camera. Back seat. Let's get in here, guys. How the gauge cluster looks. Big old screen in the front. Navigation. This has navigation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this color I think is, correct me if I'm wrong guys, looks like a bright cherry. When you're in the garage it looks almost burgundy when it's a little darker. And it drives real good, real smooth. Yeah, now we're just gonna go get our trailer here and pick up the Supra. But 2020 TRD. Alright guys, we got the trailer. We're heading out. There's Arvin. Yeah.
Pretty nervous.
Boy, time to get the Supra. We're here, guys. There's a car.
We should probably pull up ahead, should we? Well, let's go see what's up with it first.
There it is. This will be a parts car because,
That's your baby, right?
yeah.
Hey, you already played it.
Oh, a whole lot of damage. Yeah, we'd have to like pull this so hard. Like it's pushed in real good. Tail light's gone. Yeah, pulling this engine's gonna be a lot of work. Oh, you got the sticks?
Throw it in there. I don't want it.
That good old 7 MGT. Is that turbo good?
It has shot play.
It's good. It's good. That means it's good. It's good. CT26. Don't miss it. Don't hate it.
I think that's about it.
Someone got a radiator?
No, it's in the back.
Oh, is that?
Because I had to pull it out for
at the stupid. Oh shit.
But yeah, let's try to unplug some stuff. Last thing we need is
for it
a
to
set of
little stuff.
normal-
Well,
normal
I mean,
fans.
this is fine. This is fine in there. That's fine. That won't go anywhere. I don't see anything else off that.
Alright, we're good? Yeah. This is going to...
Look at this.
It still spins.
Alright, here we go.
That's right.
I'll sell you the motor,
Yeah, of course you would. Gas pipe.
Billy.
That 3,000. Oh shoot, got some oil on.
Just lying to people.
So just a little. It has just a little knock, huh?
Hopefully there's
No, what did he word? How
As
did he
long
word
as there's no hole.
He said it knocked to the moon.
A knock to the moon. Oh yeah, that's
Hey,
a
as
little
long as
knock.
there's no hole in it. If there's a hole in it, that's a problem.
No, if there's a hole in it, it's fine.
Alright.
Alright guys, man, Paul, we're starting the bodywork part. Get rid of this
Yeah, this is
clear coat, sanding it down.
get out again.
We're doing bodywork right now, bro. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be nice when we're done with it.
You know what's crazy is like I don't ever remember it being this bad.
So happens when it
chilling.
when it just sits, right? Yeah. Just flakes. Not bad.
Quartz panel. Someone got smacked. Did you hit a tree? What do you think hit?
No, what?
Smack some cheeks.
No, what happened was he's pulling out of his driveway. And like he lives on a busy road, and
Yeah.
like cars parked on the street,
Uh-huh.
so you have to just pull out blindly.
Oh
He
shit!
pulled out
And it
blindly
just got whacked.
Yeah, got whacked.
I was thinking you went drifting. Not gonna lie to you.
No, dude, that's what everyone. I
Really?
was like, everyone probably like thinks this guy went drifting.
You did some corner, a little tapping, you know, nothing crazy. Damn.
I've never driven it.
All right, I'll go for a ride. I can't even.
I might get hepatitis from this too.
Oh, okay.
Camera person.
Yeah, of course. But how am I going to push it?
Oh my.
Power steering work?
No.
There's no engine.
Yeah. No power.
Well, let's start it up.
Alright,
I told you this car's yours.
let's get this.
It looks.
Yeah, the window switch doesn't work.
It looks like
the
you.
battery is now on.
Oh, does that? You guys got the one that tips down, right?
Alright?
The what?
Did the fenders tip down on that one?
On the
Okay.
outside.
Go.
Did you tow yours like that? Tow it like with that thing?
No, I used my trailer. and then my fender
Oh, shit.
thing was broken.
Gotta get the angles, man. Gotta get the angle. Yeah, here we go.
Goes.
Right
All
at
right,
the
time to
gas.
push it. All right. Hey, hang on. We gotta push now. Hey.
So we'll push
Hey,
it,
here you go.
and then we'll back it up.
Oh. All right, guys, we're going for a drive. And then we'll stop.
We're gonna line it up. We're gonna line it up.
We'll line it up next to the trailer, Prince.
Huh?
We'll line it up next to the trailer and then back up so that you're right behind it. Got it?
You're gonna back it in here?
No, so we're gonna push you forward. and
Okay.
then you're gonna parallel park and then we're gonna back up and then we're gonna give it a push start.
Are you stupid?
What?
You're gonna push start this?
We're gonna push you next to the truck. Okay, yeah. Just, right.
Okay.
No. Turn some
I'm
more.
turning.
Turn some more. Turn some more.
I'm turning.
Turn some more.
One hand power.
Turn some more.
I'm all the way. I'm locked out.
That's fine. And then we'll get up next to the.
Straighten out.
Yeah, straighten it up.
Ugh. Ugh.
Okay. Now we can back up. So back up and then turn the other way.
All right, going that way?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
As he takes you out the door.
Yeah. Yeah, Arvin. Straighten it out.
Straight out.
Ugh. Oh, shit. Mm. No power steering. There's no power steering.
Hey, that money came with the R154, right?
All right, there we go.
So push it and then I gotta make.
It's a whole lot of work. Ugh. All right, guys, this is a lot of work.
So this is extra, right? All the pushing?
Straight.
doesn't pull it, he's holding the brake.
Wait, here we go.
All right, guys, look at this thing interior. As they figure out the towing part, right? Sitting for a while, moldy. There's a crack. Seats are about gone. Yeah, it's a good drift car. Radio wise, are good, I think.
Until we touch the ramp.
Just some specialized car loading people here.
Alright. Now what do we do? Back up, fucking give this bitch a running start. Keep it straight.
Hey, straight?
Keep it straight.
Okay. Alright, guys, this is gonna be sketchy as hell. Hopefully we don't run right into the new car. The brakes are good. There's our turbo gauge. The mileage on there is pretty fucking high.
Yeah. I always thought, because like I was gonna do it, but it was just like it was just that 6-hour drive for like $100. It's not about that life.
The way, so your trailer, is it the lower one?
Yeah. These ones are way high.
Let me know what you guys think about this. Drift car? Or just keep it as a parts car. Make sure to leave your comments so I can read it later.
Before we do that, I'm just gonna make sure.
They all. Just send it!
Keep it straight, keep it straight.
Send it!
Straight.
Here we go, boys. We're gonna run right into that new car. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. How am I looking in the front?
Just have to go forward, hold the brake.
Keep going forward?
Pull the e-brake up.
E-brake all the way up?
Yeah.
Oh, is that as far as I go?
Hey, wait, can I open the door? Am I gonna hit anything?
You're good, you're good.
I'm good? Alright. Not like it matters much,
Open
but.
it the other day. The fucking door handle snaps.
Really?
Wait, so that's this one,
Yeah, but popping the door. Like, makes up
My
for
phone.
it.
Under it. This is no exhaust.
What? Huh?
Exhaust?
I took it off and then he said he didn't want it, so then I just threw it away.
That's good.
we got an exhaust already.
This damn man.
Yeah, I know. Like I wasn't sure if I was even gonna tell you about the Alex we did.
Paul. So what do you think, Paul? What should we do with this thing?
It's okay.
Drift it?
Send it.
Keep tapping some walls?
Oh yeah.
Smack some cheeks? All right. It's gonna be a fun build. I mean, guys cannot like. They already attempted to pull drill holes to pull it out.
Shove the key into the neutral thing.
Key should still be in there.
Okay.
You're all the way. Oh yeah, you got the little.
That's the fun of it.
Just gotta slide them over.
You got brand new tires on here, bro.
Ah, well, at least they're doing that side.
Yeah. Oh, all right.
Hey, it stays on there. It stays on there.
You haven't paid for it yet.
I haven't paid for it, but I mean, come. They're trying to like.
I was gonna take them off and put it in my
Look at that. That's some meat. I got a lot of meat, bro.
You haven't paid for it yet. This is
Come
what
on,
my
it should be a gift.
Bro, the warranty is something.
Oh,
shit.
wide body? Anybody?
Where?
Wide body? Think so.
Yeah.
We can always just cut right here.
I'm not a big fan of the second gens. I like the first gens.
Like the Aristo kind?
Yeah, the Aristo kind. But like, I got mine.
No
for
cracks.
$150.
Really?
What? Dollars? Yeah. What?
What the? What'd you beat up, bro?
That's it, but still.
Dude, I always find cars in the low.
Wow.
Taking the shot?
Taking it to strip all the parts out of it. Does it leak? Does it leak?
The Targa,
T-top.
I don't think leaks. I think what was
Said
leaking
T-top
was
Targa.
these door seals. The door seals on this are shit.
Oh, okay.
But the Targa wasn't leaking.
Mark III life, either you part out or...
Dude, you always have to buy parts, Supra.
Little
That's-
crack right here.
Yeah, everyone's like... I only
All
bought this
strapped,
just 'cause it's
all
so
ready to
cheap.
go. Well, it is your car. What do you have to say about it?
He loved it.
I
What do
hated
you-
it.
Yeah. Oh my.
He loved it.
What do you want to? What would you like to see us do with it? Drift it, smack some walls, fuck around with it, or just junk it? What would you like to see?
I don't know. It's pretty AIDSy, so probably just like if you're gonna fix it, like drift it.
Drift it,
But that 7M might be pretty toast.
yeah. We're not using that 7M.
Like go for it. It'll be perfect drift slot.
All right, there you go. Drift slot. It is.
You got good tires.
I got good tires. Actually, no, I don't.
I know, dude. The tires pay for itself, dude. Some Ironmans.
All right, guys. We're all packed and ready to go. You double check them straps. There it is. We're gonna get some food and head back.
Do you recommend any barbecue places around here?
All right, guys. We stopped to get some food. Yeah. All right, guys. We made it. Whew. Supra is all parked next to another Supra build. You guys want to check out Arvin's page for this one? He'll be building this his Supra on his page, and then this will be my Supra. I think the 7M GT will pull out and rebuild and put in this guy right here. This one's a hard top. We got the charter top. And then we have one more Supra to pick up, which would be the sunroof. So stay tuned for that one. We're gonna pick that one up. That one's gonna get the 1J. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Hopefully you like the video. More content to come.